Welcome back to Creatober Day 15. For today's word, dive, at first I was thinking about redesigning the album cover of one of my favorite albums, which is Dive by Tycho. But I decided against it since I didn't really think I could improve the art for it. I then decided on a digital collage with an analog feel to it. I already knew what I wanted the composition to be. A person diving into a cup of coffee. That's probably how I felt at the time of making this design. The thing is, however, I wanted to make up a clever quote, but I couldn't find any and I was kind of out of inspiration at the time of designing this. I did find a quote that both referenced coffee and the ocean, but I didn't really like it, so I made sure to show that on the poster in the end. In the end, I'm very happy with the result, even though I didn't really like the text. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below.